Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey friends, welcome back to my organization. After giving you a complete video of my stream setup and also stream unboxing, now I want to show you my stream full setup and also give you a clear idea how you can breed or how you can culture a shrimp. If you want to take my idea, you can take this or you can make your own. Okay, now this is my first tank. Here I have fire red shrimp. Here you can see some hornot and denja, frogbeat. Here frogbeat. Some we call it pana. I don't know what it call in English. And this I have here Java moss, frogbeat. Okay, if you don't want to give your shrimp food, you don't have to do this, because shrimp are vegetarian almost. They eat the live plant and other things like java moss and hornot leaf and denja leaf. So don't worry, they will keep healthy if you don't give them food, or you can give them guppy or any food, fish food pellet. Okay, so this is the fire red. They are hiding in the bottom. Here you can see, okay, two of them here. You can see they eat the java moss in the bottom. And now the second one and the dream blue. Here the same setup like first one. I have here frogbeat, I have here dencha, I have here hornot, I have here pana, and in the bottom you can see the java moss. Where they hiding? Where are okay? Okay, these ones. I don't know. You can see this. In the bottom they are eating java moss, and these are fish pellet, guppy fish pellet optimum. So this is the setup. I don't use any air pump, filter, any kind of stones or any plastic materials here. So this is my experiment idea. You can take this, or you can use your own ideas. Thank you, friend. Please comment and tell me if I need any kind of improvement, or if you need any question, you have any question or any suggestion for me. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?